morning, everyone. This is your man, DJ Kane, the ball in the house. So, today naman sa tours natin, magbiyahe tayo papuntang Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. And we're gonna check out a new place called Kublis, na nirefer sa amin ng mga ibang kaibigan namin. And we got intrigued kasi masarap daw yung lugar, masarap daw yung pagkain. So, i-check namin dito sa clubruns.ph kung okay siya, and if this is definitely a place to visit, and if it's bang your buck. So join us as we take you on this tour and we check out Kublis.
I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? No, am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Guys, nakadating na tayo dito sa destination sa Kublis, dito sa Silang Cavite, no? Tagaytay, Santa Rosa. Hayo, ang ganda ng place, thanks to this guy, Jerome. Ayan ang pathfinder namin. Yan, naghahanap ng lugar kung saan nagtatambay ng grupo. So, yes, we'll show you the ins and outs of Kublis. Keep it tuned. So guys, ito yung Kublis. Very nicely done. May mga kubo. And then, makita mo, very friendly yung staff, oh, di ba?
Thank you.
So, sa mga babae dyan, mga pogi pa yung mga staff, oh.
Thank you.
So, yan ang mga places to sit. And then, meron pang top floor dyan. Makita natin mga. Tapos tingnan mo, ang ganda, ang cute na mga kubo. Parang Filipino Zen style. Diba? Modern kubo, yan ang tawag dyan. Tapos during the night, may banda dito, saka may comedian. Gusto mo naman yung ito naman, gusto nyo yung aircon, yung lounge. Kapatid, oh. Tingnan mo yung view naman. Grabe. Tapos after ng lunch, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa coffee break, which is yung separate coffee shop nila. Pwede kayo mag-events dito kung may party kayo. So very nice. Tapos makita niyo yung view ng Santa Rosa from here.
Ay, dito kuya, ano